Hey everyone, today I'm going to share some quick tips on how to score higher by making combos in Block Blast. So let's dive right in. So the main goal here is making combos. The more combos you make, the more points you earn each time. Think of combos as your key to leveling up quickly and boosting your score. So try to focus on chaining those moves together. Now, every time you get 3 new figures, they'll fit into your current board layout about 98% of the time. If it seems like you can't place a piece, don't worry. Take a closer look. The game is designed to give you pieces that you can always place. In the early rounds, it's pretty simple and you get easy to place figures. But as your points go up, the shape will start to get more challenging. You only get 3 chances before your combo breaks, so choose your moves wisely. And make sure to don't rush. You have to take your time to consider each placement carefully. If you make a rush decision, you might break that combo streak, and we don't want that. And here's a bonus tip. If you're close to losing and want to keep going, you can revive up to 2 times by watching an ad, and that will keep your progress going, and you can also save your combo. Alright, so to sum up, keep building combos, double check your placement, and use your revives if you need them. With a little patience and strategy, you'll be racking up with high scores in no time. Thank you for watching and happy gaming. Bye!